shiny wand.
Strobe. It's Ashley from Sharpie and the Sneakers. It's dark and they're about to do the fireworks soon. I got an ice cream sandwich because we're VIPs. Yeah.
Very important person.
Lecture me. I'm a VIHP.
Nobody knows what that means but her and me.
Very important homosexual person.
Ooh. Oh.
See, what?
Going on now.
There's a little gate you gotta go through. Dude knows me by my bracelet. Yeah. No, the faggot one.
Yeah, tag off, whatever.
Let's say put it. I like my wand.
I like my strobing.
I can grant wishes. Strobe. Angela and me will have a strobing party. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Wait, that's my kid. You guys need to back up some. Strobe. And they say we're the drunk ones, so I think they're right.
I had a little bit, aka 5 cups. Not a lot. 5 cups of what? Jack Daniels. Hey, little bit.
Yeah, they so did not have alcohol, I swear. Alright, I'm done. Public humiliation right there. Wow, yeah, but no, we all got like stuff, like Nicole got her little wand.
Anybody have a Sharpie or a pen or something?
I do. Angelina has her little strobe globe. And
Disco stick.
yeah, her disco stick. Whoa! Off camera. I previously bought this and the green ones, but I bought this and the one that Nicole's wearing that she so unrightfully stole from me.
Whatever.
JK. But you know, we bought all those and so we're chilling out right now waiting for the fireworks to start. So.
Ashley didn't eat her animal crackers.
I haven't ate them yet.
There's like buttless animals in here.
Yeah, so I guess same as all the other people that I know do it. You guys leave this. Little daddy.
Alright. Say hi.
Healthy food. Yeah, but I guess leave us your video, a comment or video response, I guess, saying what your favorite fireworks time was, whether it was a 4th of July or a festivities or a carnival or, I don't know, something crazy. Or something that you got really annoyed waiting for, or just your obsession with the glow sticks.
Or if you desperately want a balloon animal.
Or wands. Yeah, because we went to get some balloon animals. You see that over there? They're still doing them.
And they said the line was closed.
So the light is closed and they're still doing them balloons. They're mean to us. And leave us your video response, comment.
Make a fan sign for them.
Yeah, make a fan sign
Yeah, like
for
write
us.
something on your hand or use Sharpie on your sneakers.
Yeah, it would be totally cool. Soon enough, we will have a MySpace, so we will be able to upload some stuff, pictures, randomness.
Actually, I need video memory, so stop right now.
Sorry. I'm gonna get off. We need video memory. All right. Bye. Signing off, I should say, Ashley.